friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Hope you all are fine. I'm fine. Now today I have come with the recipe of lady's finger masala with tomatoes and curds. Now it's a very tasty dish. I'm sure you all will like it. Now I will show you all what all ingredients I have used. Now I have taken half a kg lady's finger, 2 onions, 4 tomatoes. I'll be putting 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 2 spoons of cumin seeds. I've taken half bowl of curds, and I have taken a small garlic pod. I'll be putting 7 to 8 flakes and a small piece of ginger. I have taken curry leaves and coriander leaves and coconut oil for cooking. The masalas I'll be using is 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and I'll be using a pinch of asafoetida. Now I'll have to cut and clean the vegetables, cut the onions, and I will show you all how to cook. Now I have cut the lady's finger into pieces. I have chopped the onions, 2 onions I have taken, and 4 tomatoes I have cut into small pieces. I have washed the curry leaves and the coriander leaves, and I have made ginger garlic paste with small piece of ginger and 7 to 8 flakes of garlic. Now we will go to the kitchen. Now I have kept the pan on the gas. I'll on the gas and add little oil into the pan. I am using coconut oil. You can use whichever oil you all are using. I'll be frying the lady's finger in this oil. Now I will fry the lady's finger till it becomes nearly cooked. Now the lady's fingers are nearly cooked. Now I will off the gas and I will remove it in a strainer so that the oil will come out. Now I have removed all the lady's finger in the strainer, and this oil I will add into the pan. And I will not be using any more oil. In the same oil I will be frying the, first I will do the put mustard seeds. Now I'll put mustard seeds into. I will put 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Now I'll put 2 spoons of cumin seeds. I'll put 2 spoons of cumin seeds. And into this I will be adding the onions. I will saute it for some time. And then I will add the ginger garlic paste which I have crushed it. I have taken a small piece of ginger and 8 small flakes of garlic. Now I'll wait till it becomes golden brown. I'll be adding 1 spoon of turmeric powder, one spoon of coriander powder, and 1 spoon of red chili powder. I have kept in sim. I'll saute it for some time. I'll see if there is little more oil inside the. I'll add that oil also. So I have drained all the oil and I have not taken more oil. With that only I am doing the frying of the masalas. Now I will add, these are 4 tomatoes which I have cut into pieces. I'll be sauteing this. I'll add 2-3 strips of curry leaves. And I will saute it. Now I'll add little salt, according to taste. Now I will add little water, half a glass of water, and close the lid and wait for the tomatoes to be cooked. I close the lid. Yes, the tomatoes are nearly cooked. Now I will add a pinch of asafoetida. Little only I'll add. Yes, little only asafoetida I'll be adding. I will mix it nicely. And now I'll add this lady's finger into the masala. And saute it for some time. I'll keep it closed for some time so that the lady's finger will be cooked little more in the masala. Now 3 minutes are over. I will open the lid and I will put the curds into the dish. I have taken half a bowl of curds, and this curds is not that sour. If it is very sour, then add half the quantity of this. This is not that sour. And now I will stir this nicely. Now I can get a very good aroma of all the lady's finger getting cooked in the masala. Now I'll add little coriander leaves. And keep in sim flame for some more time. I'll keep the lid and wait for 2-3 minutes more. Now our bhindi masala in tomatoes and curds is ready. Hope you all now know how to make bhindi masala with tomatoes and curds. Now this lady's finger is a very good vegetable and it is very good for diabetic patients. So you should eat lot of lady's finger. And lady's finger can be made in different types, different recipes. So I'll be sharing with you all different recipes of lady's finger. Now I hope you all liked my video, and if you all liked my video, share my video, and if you are watching it for the first time, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Now, thank you for watching my video and we'll meet in my next video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.